From Actionable Ops, here's how to run Hermes right inside your code editor with ACP. ACP, the Agent Client Protocol, lets Hermes run as an agent server that your editor talks to. So instead of a separate terminal or chat window, VS Code, Zed, and JetBrains render Hermes natively, its chat, its tool activity, file diffs, terminal commands, and approval prompts all in the editor. Setup is 2 steps. Install the ACP extra with pip, then run Hermes ACP to start the server. It logs to stderr, so stdout stays clean for the protocol. There's also Hermes ACP --check to confirm it's healthy. Then point your editor at it. In VS Code, install the ACP Client extension and pick Hermes Agent. In Zed, add it from the ACP registry, which needs the UV tool installed. In JetBrains, use an ACP-compatible plugin. Each one just runs Hermes ACP under the hood. In editor mode, Hermes runs a curated toolset built for coding: files, terminal, web, memory, code execution, delegation, and vision. It drops what doesn't fit an editor, like messaging and cron, and it uses your same config, skills, and credentials, so it's the Hermes you already set up. Dangerous commands get routed back to the editor as a prompt with 3 choices: allow once, allow for the session, or allow always. Session is the sweet spot. Trust it for this one task, and it resets when you close the editor. That's ACP editor integration in Hermes, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.